Now let's just move on further towards the problems, and the question number 1 is the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area which is swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So first of all, let us suppose if we have this particular clock over here, and the question says the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. So if I'm just considering this circular clock, then I can see over here, if we are just talking about the length of the minute hand, so actually the length of the minute hand is occurring as a radius of this particular circle, which is nothing but is equal to 14 centimeter. So we have R as nothing but 14 centimeter, and it says find the area which is swept by the minute hand in just 5 minutes. So it means that we just have to find the area of the shaded portion only, because we are just talking about the area which is swept by this minute hand in just 5 minutes only. So it means we are talking about finding out the area of this particular sector. So let's just find the area of this sector. First of all, what are the information that we have in this particular question? So let us suppose if I'm just starting the solution of this particular question. So we know that the length of the minute hand is actually given to us, which is nothing but 14 centimeter. It implies that the radius of this circle is similar to that of the length of the minute hand. The length of the minute hand, which is nothing but is equal to 14 centimeter, which is nothing but 14 centimeter. And what do we know about the area of the sector? We do know that the area of a sector is actually nothing but is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. This is the formula through which we can able to find out the area of this particular sector. So let us suppose if I'm just putting it under a box. So using this formula, we are now going to find out the area of the sector. So what are the things that are already given to us? We just know about the radius. We do know about the value of pi. We can use 22 by 7 over here, or either we can use 3.14 value over here, and we have this theta. So now we have to calculate this theta. What is this theta? Theta means the angle which is made by this particular minute hand within this 5 minutes. So let's just find out what is the angle that is made by the minute hand in just 5 minutes. So first of all, we know that the angle made by the minute hand in 60 minutes is actually nothing but is equal to 360 degree. We definitely know about this concept that the angle which is made by the minute hand in 60 minutes we are actually moving around a clock, or we are just covering a particular distance along a clock, then that would nothing be is equal to the whole angle, which is nothing but 360 degree. So the angle made by the minute hand in 60 minutes is 360 degree. So what is the angle which is made by the minute hand in just 1 minute? So let's just see the angle which is made by the minute hand in 1 minute is nothing but is equal to 360 degree divided by 60, and it is nothing but 6 degree. So it means that the angle which is made by the minute hand in just 1 minute is nothing but 6 degree. So what we just wanted to find out? We just wanted to find out the area which is swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So let's just calculate for the angle for the 5 minutes. So it implies that the angle made by the minute hand in 5 minutes, it should be is equal to 5 into 6 degree, which is nothing but is equal to 30 degree. So hence the angle that the minute hand is actually making in this particular sector is nothing but 30 degree. Now let's just plug in all the values over here, all the values in this particular box, and let's just calculate the area of the sector. So the area which is swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is nothing but is equal to theta. What is the value of theta? Theta is nothing but 30 degree divided by 360 degree into pi. Let us suppose if I'm just using the value of pi as 22 by 7 over here. So 22 by 7, I'm just using pi as 22 by 7. Let's suppose if I'll write it over here, that I'm using pi as 22 by 7 over here. So taking pi as 22 by 7. So 22 by 7, and we have for the r square. What is r? R is nothing but the radius. So it is nothing but 14 whole square. Now let's just calculate or cancel out the values, whatever is getting cancelled. So it is 3 and 1 and 2, 3, 1 and 2. Further we have 2, 1 and 1, 2 and 6 is 12. So we have 11 divided by 6 into 7 into 14 into 14. Now further we have 7 into 2 is 14. We have 2 into 3. So it is actually coming out to be is equal to 11 into 14 divided by 3. As you can see, we have this value as 11. We have this value as 11 and we have further as 14. So this is 3. So when you will sort it out, this would be 154 divided by 3. As you can see, after getting multiplied 11 and 14, we will get the answer as nothing but 154 divided by 3. And if you will divide it properly, then it would be nothing but 51.33 approximate value. So hence it means that the area which is swept by the minute hand in just 5 minutes is actually nothing but 51.33 centimeter square, because we have the units as nothing but centimeter. So hence at the end we are getting the area which is swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is nothing but 51.33 centimeter square, and this is nothing but our answer, which is related with all about finding out the area which is swept by the minute hand in just 5 minutes. So I hope all the steps related to this particular question is all clear to you.